Yo, what's going on guys? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Before the video starts, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like and share. Welcome to the second video of us being in Mombasa. This is going to be a daily vlog that I'm going to be recording by attending my cousin's graduation, participating in a bunch of activities. This video is going to be lit. Never have I ever done a video like this. So you guys better get ready. Are you excited?
Very.
Get ready guys. This is going to be a next level vlog.
Kubishana na watu kwa comments, offense, nimeweka defense. To be honest, I just wanna be with you and I know vex. I just wanna be with you and I know best. I just wanna be with you, yeah. You elevate, and when we did together we marinate. And everything you say I resonate. And when I day inside you, you lulate. I li on fire.
This is literally very much insane. We have more than 5,000 graduates graduating today, and the star just so happens to be the only person dressed like a marine, which is cool. I mean, just look at this guy's outfit. It's just sick. Never have I seen a graduation this big with 5,000 people graduating at once. It's mad work, but this is crazy. Okay, we're now heading back. The sun is crazy. Clear blue skies. It's currently 36 or 35 degrees Celsius. Very hot. We completed the graduation. The marine big boy is walking. Look at that confidence, yeah? That's the confidence of a graduate. How do you feel about graduating?
Yeah, so good, man. It's like a champion.
Yeah, well, look at that outfit, yeah? Yeah,
anything you want, baby girl, you know I can't deny you. Anywhere you go, I'll go. When I'm feeling low, you're the only one who give me high. How you do me, I don't know. You elevate, and when we did together, we marinate. And everything you say, I resonate. And when I day inside you, you lulate. I li on fire. Too easy. I'm feeling you. I'm loving you. You make it too easy. I'm touching you and I'm loving you. You make it too easy. You make it too easy. You make it too easy.
Hiya, we have made a small stop at a restaurant in Angelos before we head out to the hotel. And yeah. How do you feel?
Yeah, but it smells bad.
Smells bad.
So this restaurant is really old, but I recommend everyone to come to this restaurant if you're coming to Diani. It's the best spot to find the best Italian food. It's called Angelos Restaurant. So yeah. Go up sisi sote with the Captain Navy one, just chilling here. But yeah. Okay, so we have arrived. This is the place where we're going to be spending the night until tomorrow, where we will be participating in a jet ski and a snorkeling activity. It's going to be lit. We're now heading to the pool, have some fun since it's nighttime, and to take off the heat that we're currently going through, because I am sweating like crazy. So yeah, it's gonna be lit. I cannot wait for tomorrow. But yeah. Alright, it is the next morning. I look like a mess. No, worry about my eyes. I am not high. I do not know what got into my eyes. I have a very sleepy face right now. We're walking to see the sunset. It is currently 6:15 in the morning and the sunrise looks astonishing.
It's a life relief from a bad habit. It's my mother's cooking when I can't have it. It's the last train home from a day tripping. It's the place I go when I start slipping. Darling, won't you take me home? Send me shiver somewhere I used to go. Write my name across your mouth when I let my feelings down. Darling, won't you take me home? Yeah, won't you take me? Oh, 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 oh. Tell me that your mother know that I still love you head to toe. Like the back of my car on sunny days, you're the song on the radio they never play. You're the words on my tongue when I won't say, when I won't say. Won't you make me stay? Won't you take me home? Send me shiver somewhere I used to go. Write my name across your mouth when I let my feelings down. Darling, won't you take me home? Yeah, won't you take me home?
Okay, we are currently back at the hotel. The view was spectacular. As you can see, my face came back to normal. Now, the boat has just arrived. We are finishing up breakfast and then we head off for snorkeling. This is gonna be lit. I cannot tell you how excited I am. It's been a really long time since I did this. So, yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys what's gonna happen. But anyway, enjoy the video and make sure you guys have subscribed. We are here. Oh, we're on top of the boat. We're chilling. The ride is pretty smooth. This is the view from above. So many sea urchins. Look at all those black spots. Those are sea urchins. But yeah, so far everything is good. Just how's the trip so far?
Good. Having fun. You guys should come.
For sure. Ethan?
Yeah, I think it's really good. Me and my José here. We're just chilling. Why?
Pointing fingers at someone else is judging you. Don't your problem, man. Could you be loved?
Okay, it is a couple hours later. As you can see, I tied up my hair to prevent disturbance while riding the jet ski. So I just got a message telling me that the jet ski guys are on their way. So we are currently here waiting for them with the ocean view until they get here. Now, we did lose one of the GoPros while doing snorkeling. They caught water, which was very sad and unexpected. But yeah, we might be restricted, but we're gonna make some improvisations to get the best of the best footage.
Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son. Big up Battolini, Mini, Money, Mo, and Flower, you're the chosen one. Feel your left hand's free and your right hand grip with another left.
So we are here. José, you ready? And off we go.
like the prodigal son. Bigger Battolini, Mini, Money, Mo, and Flower, you're the chosen one.
Okay, it is officially night time. We had finished vlogging. It was such an amazing experience doing the jet ski, the snorkeling, and all those things all at once. I cannot wait to come back here. It's gonna be legendary. Okay guys, hi. So we're currently eating oysters, seafood, and concluding our day. This is definitely something I'm going to remember. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one.